The Viking Axe, complete with runes. For the axe, I used a 1x2 piece of wood for the handle. I used this inspo pick for the general shape of the handle, and once I figured that out, I used a jigsaw to cut out the shape that I had traced onto the wood. After some sanding, I used a wood burning tool to burn runes into both sides of the handle. These are my runes of choice. So we have like strength, power, wisdom. Like, I can't tell you what they are without looking at my cheat sheet, so whatever. For the blade, I used the same inspo pick on 2 separate pieces of cardboard. This cardboard will serve as the bones of the blade to give it some structure. For the outer portions of the blade, I used air dry foam clay. Now that the cardboard pieces are attached to the handle, I can add the clay on top of that. I also didn't really record it, but there's this ball of aluminium foil inside the 2 pieces of cardboard to make it a little more stiff inside. Once that was dry, I used metallic silver on top. I didn't have time to do anything extra and fancy like I wanted to, so I just left it like this and it worked fine. Maybe later I'll add something extra. We'll see. I think it turned out okay, especially for what it was just for a costume, right? So I'm not a professional cosplayer person, so I didn't really care that much about how perfect it looked, but that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!